Practice ping pong balls. The one-star table tennis balls from Champion Sports are made to offer high-quality entertainment and sport for anyone. They come in sets of 6, making it convenient to play multiple games at once or for quick replacement. Recreational grade equipment. With a sturdy, seamless design of 40 mm, our kit promises regulation size and functionality that's suitable for recreation and practice play. Vibrant, durable design. Each 6-pack of ping pong balls dotes a colorful and bright assortment so they can easily be followed during fast-paced play. There are no seams on the balls, ensuring durability and sturdiness for many hours of smooth table tennis. Consistent, long-lasting bounce. Champion Sports color table tennis balls have a uniform thickness of 40 mm so that every bounce is dependable. The flight is predictable and to regulation standards, so that you can count on these balls for practice play. Great recreational game. This colorful pack of 6 is ideal for practice or recreational play, whether between pro table tennis players, college students, or just among friends. This is a fun, active sport to be played and enjoyed by all expertise levels. Top reviews from the United States. Nice bounce. The colors make them easy to see, not as many lost balls so far lol. They also have smooth travel and bounce. I am a beginner and this is only the 2nd pack of balls I've ever tried, but I like these ones better. The colors appeal to the kids and they are getting better at the game and actually wanting to play with mom, grandma, so even more reason to like these so much.